will be the first to be notified if you have subscribed here before. Thank you. God bless you. My people, come and join me to celebrate somebody with the important for my life. Somebody. Una know who this person be, my people. Una know who this person be. Hey, hey. My sweet mom, my beautiful mom, my queen, my everything. Come and join me to celebrate my beautiful mom. Happy birthday to you, my mommy. Happy birthday. I wish you every good taste in this world. I pray for God to bless you for me. I pray for God to grant all your heart desire for you because you are a great mom. In fact, you are a great mom, a mother that know when our children is hungry, a mother she's so caring. Every good thing in this world, my mother have it. God will bless you, mommy. God will bless you for everything you have doing for us. God will bless you the way you have been praying for us. Everything, your prayer, God will continue to bless you. A caring mom. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Please, Mona, join me. Celebrate my mom. Mona, join me. Wish her happy birthday. If not be say music, they know they allow for you to for play music. Sweet mother, I not go forget you for the suffer way you suffer for me. Sweet mother, sweet mother, oh, oh, God will bless you, my mommy. God will continue to bless you for me. You are a sweet mother. You are a mother everybody we dream of to have. You are a sweet mother, a great mother. I don't even know how I'm going to describe you, mommy. I don't know how I'm going to describe you. You are a blessing to our life. God will bless you, mommy. God will continue to bless you for us. God will continue to bless you. God will continue to grant every good thing in this world. God will shower you with gifts, with everything, and will give you long life. Thank you, mommy. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to my beautiful mom. Please help me to celebrate my mommy. Help me to wish her happy birthday. Thank you, everybody. Bye.